This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Today I'm showing you how to make homemade marshmallows. To start, I need half a cup of water and 3 packs of powdered gelatin. I'm combining these in the bowl of a stand mixer before setting this aside to bloom. In a pot, I'm combining half a cup of water, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of corn syrup. I'm getting that over medium-high heat and cooking it until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius. I've transferred my bowl with the bloom gelatin to my stand mixer, which I've fitted with the whisk attachment. I'm just putting the mixer on low speed before slowly streaming in the hot sugar syrup. Once that's all streamed in, I'm turning the mixer onto high and letting that go for a few minutes until the mixture is thick and fluffy. While that's going, I'm just spraying an 8x8 tin with cooking spray and then dusting this sides and all with icing sugar. You'll know the marshmallow is almost ready when the bowl is just warm to the touch, and at this point I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste and quickly whisk this through. From here, I'm transferring the marshmallow into the prepared tin. I'm just using a spatula to even out the top. It's important to do this all quite quickly because it does start to set and firm up really fast. Once I've leveled off the top of the marshmallow, I'm just dusting it with some more icing sugar and setting it aside overnight. The next day, use a spatula to loosen the marshmallow from the sides and bottom. Then flip a cutting board on top of the pan and tip out the marshmallow. Then, to cut the marshmallows, I'm spraying a knife with some cooking spray and then using quick downward movements to cut the marshmallows into squares. From here, I'm popping them onto a tray, dusting them with some more icing sugar, and then tossing them to ensure that all the sides are well coated and not going to stick together. Before I toast up my marshmallows, I just wanted to take a minute to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning. If you're looking to level up your skills, make a career pivot, or just take some time for yourself, Skillshare can help you make 2022 a year of new learning, growth, and connection through creativity. One of my New Year's resolutions personally was to get back into journaling, so one of the classes I've really been enjoying and have found helpful is called Document Your Life: 4 Methods to Live More Intentionally by Nathaniel Drew. Many of you might already know Nathaniel from YouTube. I myself am a big fan of his channel and his work, so I was really excited when I found out he had classes available on Skillshare. Document Your Life is a class designed for anyone interested in a change of pace from the fast-moving, information-saturated world that we live in. Nathaniel shares his techniques for cutting through distractions, and to do this, he explores a concept that he calls intentional documentation. I've found that he offers a really unique perspective on journaling and documentation in general, so I'm hoping that I can implement some of his techniques moving forward into 2022. There are thousands of classes on loads of different subjects available on the platform, and if you're interested, I've placed a link in the description box below, and the first 1,000 people who use this link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Back to the marshmallows. If you've never had homemade marshmallows before, I'd encourage you to give this recipe a shot. They're super delicious and taste so much fresher and lighter than most store-bought ones. You can eat these on their own, use them for s'mores, or use them for hot chocolate. It's your party, do what you want. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing, hitting the bell notification button, and connecting with us on Instagram at chefstudio_.